Today I'm gonna guys tell you how can you say 10 lines on Independence Day. So you can start with guys, good morning everyone. Today we gather to celebrate Independence Day on August 15, 1947. India became free from British rule. This day reminds us of the sacrifices of our freedom fighters. We honor leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Nehru, and many others. Independence Day is a national holiday in India. We hoist the national flag and sing patriotic songs. The school and colleges organize various events and parades. It is a day to feel proud of our country and its history. Let's celebrate to make India a better place. Happy Independence Day. So yeah, that's how you can guys write it. Subscribe for more video. Thanks for watching. Like the video. Till then, bye bye.